Okay, so Krishna, should we start with the interview?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we
Okay,
can.
Krishna, can you write const str equals to? Right, my name is Krishna, and here from this string, you have to return the longest word present in this sentence. Write a
Okay.
function for it. Yep.
Can I run actually?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I wanted to debug. Can I debug, right?
Okay, fine. The ninth line, longest dot length.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Okay, okay. Can you do the second largest?
Oh, okay. Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. Okay, fine. You can comment or remove this out.
Oh, I can comment actually so that I can
Yeah, yeah.
revision purpose.
It's up to you. Krishna, can you write an array with elements, right? 10, 18, 7, 6, 11. What you have to do is you have to find out. See, the sum is 13. Okay, we have to find out the sum 13, and from the 13, from sum 13, we have to find out the indexes of the elements of sum.
Oh, I didn't get it, bro. Can
Okay,
you
okay,
repeat?
I will repeat it for you. Here our goal is to find out the summation
Okay.
so that we get a sum equals to 13.
Okay. Some.
to get sum 13. Okay, now 13, how we get the sum? We have to find out the indexes of those elements through which we get the 13.
With the elements, right?
Yes, which elements here 13 gives sum as 13, which elements give?
Okay. Okay. Okay, like that you are asking.
Yeah,
Okay.
first tell me
Okay.
which elements give 13 as a sum.
6 actually.
7 and
7.
6. Okay, what's the indexes?
Uh, 2, 3.
Yes, that is a resultant.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Okay,
now,
but
now
on
got
the
it.
basis of sum 13.
Okay,
Okay,
got it. Now fine.
go ahead and write a
Okay.
function for it. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Krishna, will you be able to do it?
I'm trying, but it's I'm debugging.
Do you think you will be able to do it, or should we move ahead?
How should we move ahead?
Okay, fine. You can come in to remove this out. Okay, fine. Can you write a console log? Write is an of means in parenthesis
Okay, sorry.
Krishna. Yeah, move the cursor outside. Yes, tell me what will be the output and why.
Is none means we'll get none actually. So due to that is string. So it is not a number. I think, or else we'll get boolean value. I feel. Oh, false.
We will get boolean value. Okay, so what you will receive?
False.
We will receive false.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and check the output. You got it? What is happening here?
Okay.
If
Okay.
it is NaN,
Okay. Oh,
put
if it is really number means then we'll get false.
false. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, you can comment or remove this out. Okay. Can you give me an example of map method?
Oh, map. Okay.
Yeah,
I can take this array for example purpose.
yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I think I removed. Okay, no problem. Yeah, map example.
Okay, okay,
It will
fine,
tell new array.
fine. Can you write greater than
Oh, where?
item greater than 2? Greater than 5. You can write greater than 5.
Okay.
Yep. Tell me what will be the output here?
array. We'll get all elements which is greater than 5.
So output will be, please don't put
Oh,
the
so,
cursor.
oh no, actually,
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine. That's fine.
No, no, I didn't done. But okay, we don't have any here numbers greater than 5. So we'll get empty array.
You will get empty array.
Yeah,
Okay, what map method does generally?
it will return a new array,
It will return a new array. So
new
what?
modified values. With
Modified values. Okay. So what here item? It will
oh,
go through each item. This map method.
yes, yes, it will go through each item.
Okay. So what happens? It will go to first, then one.
Okay, it will check every item, then it will return the same array. I think
It will return the same array.
it will go through the this array means it will check 5. No, so the 2 also no. Oh, greater than 5 no.
Item greater than 5. One greater than 5. What it
No,
will happen? Okay.
false.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, oh, yeah, okay, got it. Now got it. Fine. Yeah, yeah, we'll get false, 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 false.
Yep.
In
Okay.
array,
Yep. Now you can. Okay. Right now equal to item equals to.
double equal to
No. Only equals to. Yes.
5. Oh, we'll get false, 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 true.
Okay. Equals to return boolean value. You meant to say.
Oh, I think double equals to will return, I think, boolean value, but this is single equals to.
So what equals to does?
It will check actually. No, sorry, it will assign. It will assign 5.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it will assign for every item. We'll get 5, 5, 5, 5.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yep. Now you can comment to remove this out.
okay,
Okay. Fine. Okay. We'll move to React. Krishna.
okay.
Okay. Krishna. Tell me. Have you worked with hooks?
Yeah, I work with to use state, use effect, use ref, so
Okay.
use reducer. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between use state and use reducer?
Okay. Use state actually we'll use for state logic. So we can update the state with the set state method. So, but use state will be used for local purpose within the component. We can manage the state with the simpler logic. For use reducer, we can maintain a complex logic. For example, we have a to-do application. So with the dispatch, we can send the actions. So we can modify the state. Use use reducer will work for complex state methods like to do applications and all. So for use state will be for local within the component we can utilize the state logic and all. So that the those are the basic difference between both of them.
Can you tell me the difference between a use memo hook and use callback hook?
Okay, use memo hook will be memorize value. Use callback hook memorize.
Memorize.
Sorry,
Okay. Yeah.
memorize value, but use callback hook will memorize for function. Memorize function, it will function. So
What do you mean by memorization?
uh, without so for example use memo without recalculating the
Okay.
values.
Okay.
So then it will memorize the value until the props or state changes. So if
Okay.
once that component has been updated, then it will reflect on the UI.
How do you handle form validation?
Form validation, uh, we can uh, we can declare the states, for example true, set the state true, state is loading and all we can mention. So we can declare those. Then if the user has submitted, sorry, while submitting we can validate that email is with the regular functions. I think regular expressions, with the help of regular expressions also we can validate those forms. I think, yeah,
Forms.
yeah, regular expressions like email validation. We can like if the user enters like instead of other rate, if the user enters hashtag and all. So with the regular expressions, we can handle.
Okay. Okay. Tell me how you can optimize React applications.
Optimize React applications with the help of use callback and use memo, and we have code splitting,
Hmm.
and we have debouncing throttling, and we have code splitting as well. Uh,
Okay.
these
Okay.
these are basically we will use for optimization.
Okay. Fine. React is a framework or a library?
It is library. Angular
Okay.
is framework. Yeah.
Okay. What's the difference between Angular and React?
React basically it library. it has some features compared to Angular. It has some features. So framework in the sense that Angular have a complete including the libraries set of features. We should follow the while creating application. We should follow those instructions. For this React, we don't need to follow the instruction. We have external libraries, so that we can utilize those of them. Then in React we have some features like hooks, hooks and virtual DOM. We have virtual DOM and JSX. So compared to Angular, React performance is far better, I think, compared to Angular.
Why performance is better?
Because of virtual DOM.
Okay.
Virtual DOM. So that is main thing in React actually.
Okay.
So it will update. First, it will update in virtual DOM. Then after that, it will update in real DOM.
Okay.
So
How?
until then,
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Tell me how you can achieve dynamic routing in React.
dynamic routing. I didn't recall it actually.
Have you worked with
Okay.
dynamic routing?
Yeah, dynamic routing I worked with, but yeah, I built some websites also actually for practice purpose. Dynamic routing,
Okay, fine, Krishna, fine,
I didn't recall it
fine.
actually.
Can you state some differences between class and functional components?
Before React 16, there was class components. Difference is like class components does not have hooks. They have component life cycles, component did mount and all, and functional components have a hooks. Uh, and to maintain functional components will maintain readability, so we can read easily. So class components, it will little bit complex compared to functional components.
Complex, okay.
Yeah, class component does not have hooks. After introducing hooks, the functional components have been famous after that. So basic difference is, as I know,
The hooks,
yeah,
okay.
hooks and and readability, compared to readability. Class components and they have
Class
more,
components are readable.
no, functional components readable, more readability compared to class components.
Okay, okay. Okay, can you tell me how you can avoid prop drilling?
With prop drilling, with the help of context API, we can achieve the prop drilling.
Okay,
So instead of passing the data from parent to child and subject, so we can utilize this context API with the use context hook. So we can utilize the data from wherever we want in any
oh,
component.
okay, 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 fine. We'll move to HTML.
Okay.
Krishna, can you tell me how can you combine two or more columns in HTML table?
HTML.
In HTML table, how you
Okay.
can combine two or more columns?
With the help of table.
Have you worked with call span, row span?
No.
Okay,
Actually,
fine.
all can.
Then can you tell me the difference between image tag and figure tag?
Image tag, figure tag. Okay, actually image tag, I know. Actually image tag will use it for to display the image. For figure is also same, I think, but
Okay,
I'm not aware of figure.
you are not aware. Okay, fine then. Can you tell me about the difference between EM tag and I tag?
Sorry, em.
EM tag and I tag difference.
Oh, em tag, a tag.
EM and I.
Okay, I tag means it I tag italic, I think.
Italic
Em,
tag, yes.
yes,
I
but em,
italic and EM.
I didn't actually use it.
Okay, okay, then that's fine. Okay, we'll move to CSS. Krishna,
Okay.
can you tell me there are various positioning properties? Which are those?
Okay, static, fixed, relative, absolute.
Okay,
Yeah, those are positioning properties.
okay. Can you tell me the difference between pseudo classes and pseudo elements?
Pseudo classes is utilized for for functionalities like hovering and mostly hovering and all. And pseudo elements will use it for before, after the element, before the element, we
Okay,
can add some functionality
okay,
of them.
okay. Can you tell me about the CSS box model?
Box model.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Box model is a container of CSS actually. So it will contain margins and borders and padding. So margin means outside the element. window, sorry, window box. We can create a space between the window and inside element. Margins we can use padding for inside the div elements and all. We can box inside the box element,
Can
outside
you
the
tell
parent.
me in the order? First, there is a content in innermost, right?
Yeah,
So go on. After
yeah.
content, what it will be, and so on. Just go in the order.
Okay, content after we can, if you want to create space means we will use padding
Okay.
inside the content between element, outside element, and content between. We can create space. We can use padding.
Then,
Then we'll use margin outside the container. Margin outside the
okay.
container. We
So
have,
after padding, there is a margin, or like it's a
say, for example, see padding in the sense like
okay when
content.
border comes after the margin or before the margin.
Margin after margin. Sorry, border will be after margin.
Border will come after margin.
Yeah. First hierarchy padding, margin, border.
So outermost, you are telling me it will be border.
No, actually, border means inside. I think first will be padding. After that, border. After that, margin.
Content, then
Padding,
padding, then
border, and margin.
Arisha,
No, I think first one is right. Actually, padding, margin, border.
padding, no.
Or else first will be border only. I think content, between the content.
Okay, okay. I guess you are confused. Margin is the outermost, and then innermost is border, then padding, and then content. So it will be if you go through content, then content, padding, border, margin.
Okay.
No worries, you can later find it out. Okay. Can you tell me how can you overlap elements in CSS?
Overlap elements in the sense you are saying like hidden and all. Asking
We can overlap.
overlap.
Have you worked with Z index?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine,
Yeah.
fine, fine, Krishna. Yep, Krishna, that's it for the interview. Any queries, any concerns, you can go ahead with it.